Let's have a look at what you get inside the Vapor M4S hybrid multi-purpose steam cleaner. You have your base, you have your 2 extension tubes, you got your 2 microfiber floor pads, the carpet sleigh with its own pad, and the parking mat to rest it during idle times, your filling cup, filling funnel, instruction manual, warranty card, warranty certificate. Now, because this unit is multifunctional, you do have all the additional accessories to clean surfaces. Your window and mirror tool, your small brush with its fitted pad, the detailed nozzle with the angle tip, and then you can insert the nylon brush, the little scraper, or the dedicated towel grout cleaner, and all of those accessories will fit quite nicely inside the accessory bag. To assemble it, you take your 2 extension tubes, fasten them together, you insert the tubes into the base by pressing down the little blue handle, you take the steam gun, again you press down the little blue knob there and you insert it onto the top, and then you take your cleaning hose and you clip it on the little clips on the back to keep it tucked out of the way nice and neatly.